Hey everyone, I'm Daniel Barry with ExoticCarTrader.com, and I'm standing here with our 2018 Mercedes C63S. Right off the bat, you can tell this thing shoots out at your eyeballs, and that's because it's fully customized. We had bought it out in California, brought it all the way over to sunny South Florida. I'm going to show you around the car, tell you a little bit about it. Obviously, the first thing that stands out is this bright in-your-face color. This is a wrap that was brought in from Europe. It was applied by RDBLA out in Los Angeles. It's obviously not a stock looking car at all, and the main reason why is the wrap and also this wide body kit. It's a prior designed wide body kit. This was all hand built and put on by RDB. They did an awesome job keeping the lines more natural looking, but also giving it super custom flair. Up front as well, you'll see that the hood is different than any other C63. That's because they custom built this with these vent hood scoops in here. They cut them out, put a black mesh in there to kind of keep that black theme going with all the accent pieces. The car is super low. It's on HR lowering springs. You know, driving around LA, not the most fun because it's so low, but here in South Florida, it's so flat that it's an awesome car. You can see it's only about 2 or 3 inches off the ground, if that. So when you're driving around here, you gotta watch out for potholes, but the thing is, with these springs, you can always bring it back up to ride height if you wanted to. On the side here, we did the accent with the Zito wheels. They're black to give also the contrast with the other black accents on here. And if you look past the wheels, you'll see the massive brakes. This thing has awesome stopping power with drilled and slotted rotors. Down the side, we continue all the black accents from the side skirts. We even threw our company logo on with the black accent as well, just because it's a great promo car for us, and we get a lot of attention with it. And my favorite part about the car that just gives it the over the top is this big carbon fiber spoiler here on the back. This was also added on, definitely not from factory. And you could just tell looking from the front how cool it is that it's got those wide fenders, but from the back, not only do you get the wide fenders, but that big wide carbon fiber wing that kind of stands out to you. Now, this car underneath the wrap was originally a satin silver color. It looks so cool when you have it on or off, and definitely goes great with the interior because this interior is that perforated red leather. So you get the coolest styling colors on the interior, bunch of carbon fiber accents. Like I said, it's perforated, so you get the heated and cooled seats. You have the navigation backup, everything like that. And I'll fire it up for you just so you guys can hear what this exhaust sounds like. This is fully stock. There's no performance work done in this car. And Mercedes, with that bi-turbo V8, has an awesome sounding deep exhaust that gives you a ton of noise and power once those turbos spool up. Let me start it up. We'll start it up here, and I'll put it in sport mode. There's dynamic, so you can go from individual, comfort, sport, sport plus, and even race. As soon as you get into sport plus, you kind of hear that exhaust open up. They have valves that open up there, give it that deeper sound. And you can hear that back popping on the exhaust. So awesome sounding, and such a powerful car, especially for the size of it. Overall, awesome daily driver. You'll be seeing a lot of it at shows and on the internet around South Florida. If you want to see any more of these cars or get more information on this specific car, check us out at ExoticCarTrader.com.